Now we move on to the state of Bihar, where political heat ahead of the polls is rising. Congress leader and leader for opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, has launched a direct attack on the Election Commission and the BJP, of course, as he kicks off his Vote Adhikar Yatra. Now this rally is aimed at highlighting what the Congress claims is a systematic assault on the voting rights in the state. Remember, Rahul Gandhi is expected to launch the Yatra from Sasaram and will remain in Bihar for over 2 weeks, culminating in a massive rally in Patna on September 1st. Now, this campaign, backed by the India Bloc, is intended to build public momentum ahead of the elections in the state. Remember, earlier this month, Rahul Gandhi accused the Election Commission of India of colluding with BJP, citing alleged fraudulent voter data, in fact. All right, Rahul Gandhi is expected to launch his rally in the state of Bihar. Remember, the state is set to go to elections and therefore the political heat in the state is rising up. Now, this rally, also dubbed as Vote Adhikar Yatra, it is aimed at highlighting what the Congress claims to be an assault on the voting rights of people in the state. Now, this rally is backed by India Bloc. It's going to start in Sasaram, and remember, Rahul Gandhi will remain in Bihar for over 2 weeks, and this rally will culminate on September 1st in Patna. Now, essentially, the rally here by the opposition intends to build public momentum ahead of the elections in the state. Here, the opposition is alleging that Election Commission of India is now colluding with the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party to steal elections, and therefore they're rising up against it. They're raising the voice of people when it comes to democratic rights. And this is what opposition has been claiming on this issue.